Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Fidelity Mobile Check Deposit. So here's how you can use the Mobile Check Deposit with Fidelity app so you can deposit a paper check right from your phone without going to a branch. So first is you just have to open the Fidelity app application and then sign in with your username and password or biometric login, which is your Face ID or Touch ID. So the mobile application or the mobile check deposit feature is part of the main Fidelity investment application. So what you're going to do is just tap on the Transact at the bottom of the screen, then choose deposit checks. Then just have to agree to any terms if prompted, and then choose the account. So you have to select which eligible Fidelity account that you want to deposit the check into. Let's say, for example, the cash management or even your brokerage or the IRA. Next to that is to type the dollar amount shown on the check and then sign the back of the and write for mobile deposit only. So under your signature, this helps prevent rejects. And you just have to take photos of the check. So make sure to capture the front and the back. So align and snap the front of the check. Then take a clear photo of the back with your endorsement. So make sure the images are sharp and well lit. And lastly is to review the details, then tap on submit, and you will usually get a confirmation in the application. So you have to keep the check for a few days in case the bank needs it before destroying it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!